Hey everyone, this video is out there for you if your LaserDisc player that is a two-sided reading disc player that will read side B or side 2 is stuck and not ejecting from the tray ejecting out. This is what you need to do. There's a worm on the CD laser assembly which raises and lowers the spindle height. Now mine, in this case, even after replacing the belt and playing 3 movies, finally this happened. Now all these little gears and tracks, the lubricant on them, the lithium grease, tends to dry out. So your worm, mine, is located right here down in there. That worm is going to be all the way to the rear when this is in the stuck position. So you're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 on this support system out. Remove the ground so you can set this to the side. You're going to take your hand and approach it from the right hand slide, and there'll be just enough clearance for you to reach it with your middle finger. And if you roll it towards you, I believe that was how I was getting it to lower. After that's done, then you can manipulate your tray, to come out like so, using the your little tray and your belt here. But that's how you can open this up if you really want to spend the time to do that. But that's not while we're here. So things you should do while you're in here. Clearly you want to grease that worm up that's dried the hell out down in there. Zoom in for you guys so you can actually see this thing. Try to get a light in here. Let me broaden their light beam and see if it helps. Sorry, fellas, guys and gals. And there it is. It's down right in there. Looks like a black little turny gear. You want to get some lithium grease on that. There's also, I'll try to get the camera in here, zoom out. You could probably kind of see it, but it's in here. There's a white track in here you should probably grease as well. Anywho, I hope this was helpful to someone, because there's not a whole lot of documentation. There's some YouTube videos, but yeah, I hope to get some more use out of this bad boy. Thank you for watching.